A bit with Kit. A minute with Kit. Getting to know Kit. Yeah.
Hello, world. Keeping it short and sweet today with a little bit of Kit, trying to keep it in a minute. So here we go, doing a mental health update for all of y'all as I have been recently diagnosed with bipolar. So that is a recent diagnosis for me. I have been on medication for a month or two now, which is definitely not something that I expected since I am a person who really enjoys natural remedies. I never thought I'd be taking medication, but so far it's been super helpful. So for those of you who find it helpful, awesome. For those of you who find other things helpful, also awesome. That is good to hear. So the center where I did the diagnosis, where the doctor diagnosed me, in their same building, they have an individual who does mindful meditation. And I went there yesterday to do a little session, and it was so beautiful. I cried and I laughed and just felt like a weight was lifted from me. So I highly recommend people who might be struggling with any form of mental wellness right now, that a form of mindful meditation can be really, really helpful. The big takeaway that I took from this session was, that the teacher talked about it's not about balance, because balance tends to put in our mind this like swinging pendulum, and with bipolar that can be quite the case, going from one extreme to the next, and it's more about finding your center and being grounded. So keep that in mind the next time you're feeling, for example, how I've felt the last couple of days, that I've been off routine, but I'm still feeling good. It's just that I'm also tired and not feeling as though I can do as much as I want, and then I kind of beat myself up for not getting all my things done. And that is totally okay. It's fine to have this middle ground where you're happy and you're at peace and you just are and you just be. So I hope that is helpful for all of you guys. We went a little bit over a minute today, but I did want to say a lot about that. So love you guys. Have a great day.